welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to do create a website or a blog, a news blog starting from scratch. There are a couple of things you have to put in place. First of all, go to google.com, look for WordPress, freedownload.org. You can be there anyway. We look for wordpress.org. This is wordpress.org. You click there, then you say get WordPress. So after clicking that, you're gonna come here whereby it's gonna give you the choice to download. You click on download, then after that you say okay, I've downloaded that already, so there's no need for me to do that anymore. So what you do, you must be logged into your cPanel. Here is the cPanel. So you're gonna click on File Manager. I'm gonna go click on File Manager. When you click on that, then you click on www. In there, that's where you're gonna say upload. When you upload, you come here and select this WordPress. Then you say okay. So once you do that, that's gonna be fine. You're gonna find your WordPress here. After doing that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do what? You're gonna extract that. When here, you just extract, say extract, you extract exactly where it is, and then after that it's gonna finish. Then it will tell us after doing that. Okay, let's do this and this and this. I think extraction is done. Let me say inflating WordPress. Okay, those are the results. After that, you close here. After closing, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna delete this folder here and say delete. After deleting that, then I go inside in the folder which I've extracted. I copy it all. After copying all of this, I hope I didn't do any mistake. Let me go back here. You go to WordPress here. Then in these folders you select select one folder. Oh man, something happened. Okay, I'm gonna select one. After selecting one, okay, I'm selecting one, then Control Shift, Shift, then with the down arrow, you go down until you copy everything. After copying everything, then we can say copy or cut, whatever you want to do. I wanna copy, but I'll prefer to cut because I wanted to cut everything. Cut, which is X, then you go back here, then you drop everything here by Control V. We want to paste them there, but nothing worked. That's why you see nothing is going on here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing. We call it all. Then after selecting everything here, then you Control Cut. So if you do Control Cut, then you come here and you say Control V, which is the paste. If it doesn't work, no stress. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all again. Okay, I'm gonna use my mouse and say copy because there's no cut here. I copy. Okay, it tells me where do you wanna copy this. Copy files. Yes, I'm taking there. Okay, or we can cancel that and we say okay, rename move. Okay, move is a good move. You delete that WordPress folder because we don't want our website somebody to go to www.what.com then WordPress, you get me. It wants to, should go in straight. So we copy everything is in here now. So we go to WordPress folder. Once we in that folder, we do what? We go there, we delete that folder because we don't need that folder. So anyway, once you're done with that folder, deleting it, so what's gonna be next is to do what? Is to copy, is to start our WordPress. So once we here, then we're gonna go to justcode.co. This is like this. Once you just click there, it should take you there. Let me see. Something I don't understand here. There's something which is I don't understand. Okay, it seems like there's something which I don't get right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this folder. I'm gonna make this on my panel. I rename this to be index. So I'm gonna make this to be index dot html. After doing that, then we're going to say rename. After renaming that, I'm gonna there is WordPress uses PHP. In most cases you might find that these are the cookies which giving me trouble here, so I'm trying to refresh, nothing happens. Let me see. Yes, it worked. It wanted me to refresh because the cookies were still showing the old stuff. So I'm sorry about that. Then we say continue. If you go to continue, it's gonna say database name, username, whatever. Then you say let's go. After doing that, WordPress, this name of the database would you like to use? Okay, username, password, localhost. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is gonna be like something which we're going to do what to create. You need to create a username and password, and they say below you should enter your database connection details. If you are not sure about these, contact your hosting. So now we don't need to contact our hosting, because the reason is we can create our own database. What database you want to create, you go back here on your what we're gonna call this. Okay, you go to PHP my admin here, then we can create a database, or we go here to MySQL or database wizard here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to database wizard here, then I'll create a database and I say 2021. Okay, so it's gonna create something like this, then put that for me. Then I'm gonna say next. After getting there, or next, is gonna create database user. Also user is gonna be 2021. Just this for sample. Then the password, you can create a nice password, and don't forget it. Okay, I'm gonna say it. Okay, after creating that simply means we never forgot anything. Then we say create. After creating that, you can see this is your database and this is your user name. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give the privileges to the user. You give all privileges to the user. If you don't do that, it's gonna be a problem. So after doing that, you say next, make changes to reset. Okay, after doing added the database, whatever, everything's done. Okay, once we know that we're done, so we can go back here and database name, we can give it that, and username, you saw the username when database name user, we made it the same to make things easier. So here on the password, you can say I think I did that. This is something we're going to do just for sample. This one, I'm gonna say for sample, maybe. Okay, let me see. Yeah, what did I do? Okay, we do that, is fine. Then we submit. After submitting, establishing error connection. This means, okay, try again. So there is something which went well, something which went bad. There is something which went bad here. Okay, so there is some noise which coming here. We're sorry about that. So we're gonna stop that. You get me? So that is something we're going to stop. I'm sorry about that. Let me pause. Guys, I'm sorry you had some disturbance. So now it gave us some error. So that error means there could be some spaces here. You see, okay, 2021. Also here, on here, in here, you might have some spaces that could cause some conflict. Let me put another password. Okay, after that, then we say submit. We submit. Establishing error. This means that the username and password information in your WP config file is incorrect, or we cannot contact database to local whatever. This could mean your host database server is down. Are you sure whatever? Okay, that's what they tell me. So we created the database now, and they are telling us something's wrong with the database. So now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go back there, and we try to see if what we created was right. Okay, close this guy, and we go back here and here, and we see this is the name we created, and add another database, add another user to your MySQL, return to MySQL database. Okay, so I'm here at MySQL database, and what do we have here? This is what we have, and you can rename it if you want, but now database user, this is the user. I believe we gave all privileges. Change password, and let's make it another password to be, maybe we're gonna say 123 at Azania. Okay, we say 123 at Azania. Okay, then we say change, make changes, success. Okay, we successfully done that. 123 at Azania. So now we need the database name is gonna be the same as the user. Okay, we're gonna copy that guy, and we go back here, and we say we give in the information again, try again. Okay, make sure there is no space there. There is no space here. Okay, I made it to be the same because I want things to be easier for me. I'm gonna say 123 at Azania. Okay, that could be our password. Okay, now we take the same password. Okay, we copy it. It's a localhost, whatever. We leave to localhost, database host. Let's see if it's gonna give us trouble. Yes, everything is good. We managed to do it, so we're fine. And we're gonna say world news. Okay, and title name, we're gonna say just code. Okay, then after that it gave us our password here, but we still can change that password. You get me? We want to make it okay, I want to make it something weaker, and because let me see. Okay, after making it that, and then we agree on everything. Let me see, it's gonna need maybe our email. Your email address, I'm gonna use Java West 5 at gmail.com. I'm gonna use that email just for our stuff. Okay, let me see. Okay, after doing that, we confirm the weak password, and we're using this email as our email. Then we install. Okay, after installation, then everything's gonna be fine. Let's wait. It's installing. Okay, they say it's done. When it's done, let me see. Try to see. Then we try to see. Okay, remember me. I want to be remembered. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna use that. Okay. So after that is done, when that is done, okay, I save this password here. Guys, we have our website. So but now we need to go and say justcode.co.za. Once we've done that, you can see world news. Okay, everything's fine here. But now we need to learn that we need couple of plugins we need to install. So the plugins we need to install is what they call Smosh. We need to get what they call Smosh and many other plugins to manage to have our own our stuff. You get me? So now we're gonna install the plugins here to proceed doing our stuff. So say okay, add plugins. So we look for plugins we must use. Here, one of the list you have to use Yoast. That's gonna help you on your SEO. Yoast, okay, plugin. Once you get that working, you're gonna, this is the first one. This one you have to install. Once you've installed that, then you're gonna be cool with if you start to post your first article. So now after doing that, you're gonna go and say okay. Once we're done, we look for a plugin called Smosh. I think that's Smosh, like that. Smosh. Okay, once you get Smosh, okay, let me see, go new. You have to install couple of plugins. Smosh, it's gonna be Smosh, maybe, yeah, let me see. Yeah, WooCommerce UBA instant. No, that's not what we're looking for. Drop. Okay, no, that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for okay, don't worry about that. I'm gonna get you some things, which plugins we need. Okay, you need Elementor. That Elementor you install, it's gonna be for free, and once you install it, it's gonna help you also. Okay, advanced editor tools, you need this also. Okay, I'm looking into some plugins. Yes, this is what you need. Smosh lazy load. Okay, this is gonna help you on your images, because you're dealing with a news website. You're gonna be posting each and every day, so images need to be what they have to be, what they call, they must be optimized. You get me? Once the images are optimized, then everything's gonna be fine for you. SEO, you are blocking access to robots. You want to search engine to show this site there. What you got read whatever, unmarked engine. Okay, visibility. Okay, leave that alone. So we have some of these. Okay, I don't know which plugin causes this huge SEO. I don't know which plugin causes this this issue, but let me show you. Yeah, guys, we have some disturbing noise. I'm sorry, but don't worry about that. We are about to conclude our video, but it's fine. We we proceed with what we have to learn. Okay, I don't know which plugin caused this. I don't want this site to show this whatever. No, don't worry about that. Leave that alone. So we're going to now look for a good plugin, a good what they call. Go to appearance. We're looking for a good theme for news. So we say add theme. After saying adding theme, then you look for, I will say news. You can type in something like news. You're gonna get a couple of them, and once you get one you like is what you're gonna choose. You get me? So it depends on what you like, because what I like is not what you like. What you like is not what I like. So now that's the challenge. But you can choose any theme you would think that it's good or better for you, and you don't get confusions or whatever. Okay, so now what I would say, I would suggest to take which one can I take? There are a couple of them, a lot of them here. I liked this. I'm gonna install this special news. Okay, if I install special news, after when it's done you activate it, and after activation you're going to try to, how many there? Okay, I did activate that. Then we try to refresh here. Okay, that is done. But since you don't have any posts here, that's why you don't see anything. What do we do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a post now, and after creating that post, okay, you say next. Okay, the post gonna say it's gonna say the post gonna say it's gonna say something like we're gonna do something simple, and yes, we can say what do we say here? Let me see. We can say everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna say Manchester United failed to win. Okay, then after that I can put that and say Cavani scored 1. Okay, after doing that I can go to here, post, and I look for, you can see I wanted to show you something. There's a plugin I haven't activated. I'll activate it for you. Okay, here I say featured image. I have to put an image here. I'm gonna go to my images, old images. I'll look for any Manchester United, Manchester United, Premier League. I want to see English Premier League. I get that is fine. We put one here for Rashford, and after doing that we put that here, and okay, Yoast is activated. This is the plugin gonna help you for your your post. You put that there, and then here you can put a description and say they tried but no luck. Okay, After doing that, you can now post or publish your I'm gonna publish my post. After publishing it, I'm gonna go to just code. Okay, and I'm expecting to see. You can see I'm seeing one here. Okay, I've seen one already. So since I can see one, this is the news we have. Blog, latest blog, and you can see that they are passing here the trending news. Okay, so we can add a lot of things based on the theme we have here, and we can have developed by ample themes. You get me? All those things we have to delete them then, but now what we need to do is to get another post, let them be 2, then we know what's going on. So I'm gonna go back here and I say here, no, I don't need that. I say WP admin. We're gonna go here and we create as many as we can, and we say English Premier League updates. Okay, English Premier League updates. Okay, after doing that, then we can do this, and then we can do this. We don't forget that, and then we can do this. Okay, here you have to write until you see green. Okay, Manchester draw, Manchester drew, also West Ham drew. Okay, West Ham. Okay, we're gonna say that. Then we say Lingard. We're gonna say Lingard. Just Lingard did not score this time. Okay. Okay, then we wanna make it green, and we say, but Everton squeezed. Okay, you leave it like that. Everton, whatever. Okay, squeezed, squeeze. Okay, after doing that, then you get your picture here. We're saving it to draft, which we don't want. Preview, which we don't want. Okay, settings. You click on settings. You get your what they call the picture, and we get here. We select a new picture here. Still, we go to downloads, and we go to older downloads. Then we go down here. Okay, we leave that boy there, and we, after doing that, we can put that there, and we proceed. Plus we say okay, we publish that. We now have 2, but then it depends on the theme settings. So since we have 2, we're gonna have to refresh and see those 2 ones. You can see now we have it's getting there. We need to have maybe at least 5, then we can claim something good. So then I can put here, and say put new. Okay, I can put a new post and say Netbank bank cap what results. Okay, we need Netbank caps results. We copy that, we paste it here, and we copy that, we paste it here, and we copy that and paste it there, and that what we're gonna get. Okay, go here and we go to the same thing here. I'm looking for Netbank cap. Okay, I can take that picture and I use that anyway. I put that and publish it. It's gonna be good for us after publishing. And there's something I forgot to tell you guys, but I'm gonna show you something you should do first before everything. So now I'm gonna also create another new post. I want to be like 5 posts. That's what you're gonna see. What is the what is the best for you. So when you go here, you can say Netbank cap fixtures. Okay, when you do that, we copy this here and put it here and we put also here, and we go on the post and look for the image here. Not tags, we go for featured image. We go here and we get one which we're gonna get somewhere. I saw something incredible here. Okay, we can take that and save that here. After saving that, then we know we have 5 of them, so we say okay, we publish. So after publishing, we can now also go and create another post. I think that should be the last one, and say I'm gonna say DSTV APSA Premiership results. Okay, DSTV, not APSA Premiership, it has to be Premiership. Okay, after doing that, also we gonna put that and we look for what they call the image. After looking for image, we're gonna use another image here. I've seen some here. Select that, no, yes. Then we take that and we have now 5 articles which we haven't completed. We just want to fill into the spaces so that we can see our news website getting there. So after that, we can now come here and do that. You can see we have a lot of now the roll-ons, and you can stop them once you click on one. You get me? Can you see what is going on? Trending news. So these are the news here, and here there's something which is missing here. So what I'm gonna show you, okay, you can see, you can click on this news article and you can read what you want to read. So now what I'm gonna show you here, okay, I can click here and I'll create what they call categories. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, guys, we have some pauses, some disturbances. Okay, I'm sorry about that. We can proceed. Something I didn't show you is you have to create categories. You see categories, you go there, then you create one. It's gonna be sport. Okay, after sport, you can say sport is gonna be underway, whatever you wanna be. you can create one, and also you can create what they call subcategories. You can create under sport, you can put Ronaldo, Messi, whatever you want to do, but I'm creating now main categories. It's gonna be no, which kind of news we need. We're gonna say gonna be politics. Okay, if you get politics here, under politics you know what you're gonna do. Okay, so now under this you can also edit this and rename this to be, you can name this to be news if you want to, news. Okay, and also go here and say news. If you want to, you can rename that, and you save here. Okay, after saving, now there are many things you have to do with your theme. So you go here and say customize. So the way you want to see your theme, the way you want it to look like. So you can see identity, world news, you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, you can delete that. You can say tagline, you can move tagline, and tagline you can make it good. Maybe you can make it breaking news, whatever you want. Display tagline, okay. World news, you save that. Okay, it depends on the theme, but you do that on same thing. Hit social, you can put here, you can see, you can add on your social links here, and you can go here and say trending news. What do you want to show trending news. Okay, if you're showing trending news, what's gonna happen here? Okay, if you don't show, if you hide them, what will happen? Okay, let's show them, and after showing them, what do you want to show? Breaking news. Okay, if you want to make them breaking news, it's okay. And you choose a category, we can say news. You see, we can see category news there is there. You can see it's here now. Then number, you can select maybe how many numbers you want, maybe 5 articles or 7 articles, whatever you want to. Maybe for now we can put maybe 5 new articles, and we save. After saving that, we can go back here and create trending news main banner. So on the main banner here, full width, inside both side space and inside slider. Okay, put that layout 1 layout if you want to use that. Then there we can select category you want to use. I'm gonna use news, that's what I want to use. Okay, after saving, this is what they talk about. So they talk about this side banner and inner banner, you can see. So show hide or that featured category, you can say news also. If you can put that, it depends on which category you want to show where and when. So you can see this is what we talk about. Now we have this, you get me. So if you don't select anything, it's gonna go and pick up anything in that, you get me. So now in whatever you post, it's gonna come there. So you can see that our news article, our newspaper is coming where, and no stress. Okay, you can see now everything is coming along. You can see that everything is okay. So you can see here, you can change whatever you want to change here. Now it's a complete news article in just almost 30 minutes, you get me. It's just complete. So whatever now you're gonna post is gonna come here. Whatever you want to show here is what you're gonna show. What you don't want to show is what you're not going to show. You understand? So we can change all of this. We can do many things we want to do. So for now, that's what we could do. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.